Hi you guys, welcome to MyCuriousCrafts. This is Shan, and today we are going to be making bows using multiple ribbons because it's Bow Wednesday. Let's get started, you guys. Alrighty, so we're going to be making this for our fall edition, and we're going to put it on a grapevine just for show. But ribbon number 1 is going to be 8-inch tails, and I'm going to start off with a 4-inch loop, and I'm going to have 4 loops of this particular ribbon. Now, you guys will notice that in this video that I'm going to keep the ribbon stacked on the Bowmaker first, and that's just to show you guys that you stack the ribbon and you can save it for season after season after season if you stack the ribbon. Now, if you just leave it in the bow form, it's going to be a little bit more difficult if you leave it spread out. That's what I mean, which is what we typically do. It's going to be a little bit more difficult to preserve the bow, but you can unfluff it. Pardon me, you can fluff it if the ribbon happens to smash, okay? So we're going to dovetail those ends. Remember that we folded and we cut from the folded edge to the free edge. I'm going to cut a little bit more off of this tail. Please notice how the ribbon is stacked up. That's how you are going to be able to save it and put it in a box for season after season if you have a desire to do that, okay? Ribbon number 2, 7-inch tails, 5-inch loops, and each time we just go down by 1 inch. We're going to twist it, go down here and measure. The EZ Bowmaker is really a great tool because it has the measurements on the board. However, you guys know that you can use a ruler. I've shown you how to do that before. You can use your cutting mat. I've shown you how to do that before. My preferred method of measuring typically is my cutting mat. I just use it so much and it's my go-to, so it's definitely my preference. But like I said previously, the EZ Bowmaker is great because it has measurements on it and you can utilize that. Okay, ribbon number 3, 5-inch tails and 4-inch loops. You can see here that I'm going to use my cutting mat. Now, once you place the ribbon in the dowels, you're going to make sure that you twist because you have to twist to get the pretty side of the ribbon. Most of the ribbon is just one-sided. That means that one side is printed on and it'll have all the glitter and special effects and things like that. And the other side is just the back side of a ribbon as if you would have material, and you know you have a pretty side of the material and then you have the inside of a material. Look at your clothes when you turn them inside out or the wrong side in. So the ribbon kind of does the same thing. Rarely you will find ribbon that is double-sided and you don't have to twist, but get in the habit of twisting so that when you have that ribbon that is not double-sided, you don't make the mistake and have your bow not come out the way that you would like for it to, okay? Dovetailing here again. And get our zip tie, we're going to bring our bow up. Okay, so you're going to notice that that top bow falls apart. Pinch it back in there and get your zip tie and pull it kind of taut. Not too much because remember we have to put our Chanel stem in there to secure our bow to our project. But we are going to pull it pretty taut. And we're going to have to pull those loops out just to make sure that we have everything to our liking. And we're going to add our Chanel stem. I'm a little bit out of frame, but you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, I want you guys to see here how the ribbon is stacked. Now here I'm showing you that this ribbon here, it came from Hobby Lobby. You must use wide ribbon or it's going to fall apart on you. It's pretty, but it falls apart. Now, I'm showing you this mustard colored ribbon. Came from Hobby Lobby as well. A couple of seasons ago, though. I don't know what they have this season. I haven't been to look at their fall things. I must go. However, you want to make sure that your ribbon has good wire so that it can stand up. If you notice here that I'm able to make this ribbon loop stand up, I'm able to curl those tails, make them do exactly what I want them to do. That orange ribbon, it's pretty, it's shimmery, it is very delightful, but it will not do exactly what you want it to do. We can make it work, of course, but it's not going to stand up and call those loops to attention like you want them. That's just a quick tip, FYI, for you guys, okay? So make sure that you're purchasing quality products if you want them to last you multiple seasons and you want your projects to look very nice, okay? Good to go. Fluff it out a little bit. Now I'm just putting it on a grapevine here for styling purposes. This is not the final project. However, if you guys will come back tomorrow and join me, you'll see the final project. Once again, I want to say thank you. Have a great day. Oh, you guys, before I forget, please check the description box, and I have the winner of October's Bow Wednesdays bows. They get to pick out 2 bows. If you share the video, that's how you get entered into the drawing, and if you leave a comment. Okay? Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.